Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a green, fibrous vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is used in soups, stews, and stir-fries, and has been traditionally valued for its health benefits. The health benefits of okra mainly come from its gel-like substance, called the mucilage. Okra water has been praised for its health benefits, and health-conscious individuals consume okra water daily, especially for its benefits related to skin health. Okra water can be made simply by soaking sliced okra in water overnight to extract its nutrients. So, let's discuss the 5 amazing health benefits of drinking okra water every day. Number 1, as you guessed, is better skin health. Okra water is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenol, which contribute to healthier, glowing skin. The high vitamin C content stimulates fibroblast cells in the skin to produce collagen, which maintains skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Flavonoids and polyphenol neutralize oxidative stress, preventing premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and skin damage. The mucilage in okra provides deep hydration, keeping the skin supple, while its fiber content helps flush out toxins that can lead to acne and dull skin. Okra's bioactive compounds reduce inflammation, soothing conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Number 2, digestive health. Okra water is a rich source of dietary fiber and mucilage, which aid in digestion and gut health. The soluble fiber in okra increases the bulk of stools and improves gut motility, preventing constipation. Okra supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestion and immune function. The mucilage acts as a natural barrier, soothing the digestive tract and reducing inflammation in conditions like gastritis and acid reflux. Number 3, blood sugar regulation. Okra water may aid in diabetes management by slowing glucose absorption. The soluble fiber in okra forms a gel-like substance in the intestines, slowing the release of sugar into the bloodstream. Polyphenol in okra reduce insulin resistance, improving glucose uptake by cells. Moreover, studies suggest that okra water lowers post-meal blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetics. Number 4, heart health. Drinking okra water can contribute to cardiovascular well-being by lowering cholesterol and supporting blood vessel function. The fiber in okra binds to cholesterol in the gut, reducing its absorption and lowering LDL cholesterol levels in blood. The potassium in okra helps balance sodium levels, preventing high blood pressure. Okra's antioxidants prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerotic heart disease. Number 5, immune system support. Okra water provides immune-boosting nutrients that help fight infections. Vitamin C in okra water enhances the production of white blood cells and strengthens immunity. Okra water also has antimicrobial properties, which prevent you from getting infections. Finally, substances in okra water help the immune system respond effectively to infections while reducing excessive inflammation.